dear friends, and welcome to JP's workshop. Today we are gonna unbox the OnePlus Nord. So it is our OnePlus Nord, which is 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of memory, and it is the grey onyx color, available for 28,000. So now let's unbox it. Here's our device, this way Nord with the fingerprint sensor, and here is the beautiful 4 camera setup with dual tone flash. So let's keep it aside and see what's inside the box. So here is some, oh wow, it's just not the manual. Here we also see a basic case which the company provides. Also some welcome letter from OnePlus Nord, and let's see what's inside this. Oh wow, they have started giving stickers like Apple, quick start guide, safety information. Oh, Red Label Club. Now they are making a something point collection club type thing. So if you collect more points, you can win some prizes or maybe something else. And here is the wrap charger. And the Type-C red cable, which is very famous for the OnePlus. So that's it in the box. Now let's unwrap the phone. Wow, it feels very nice, but it's not matte, it's glossy. And yes, there is a 2 camera setup here, and the nicely shining OnePlus logo with a OnePlus title here. Yes, the shine is very nice. Yes, it is capturing pretty good photos, and the depth effect is, I think, pretty good. Let's see now how the background is getting blurred or not. I'll share you the photos. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel JP's Workshop. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.